Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial, today we're going to see how we can create notes and associate those notes to contacts in HubSpot using workflows. So as you can see that here, if I search create note, there is no native HubSpot action that can create note and associate it with the enrolled contact. But there are some third-party applications. For example, this app, you can create note with it. Also, this application, you can create note with them. But most of them are paid. So you have to install the app and then use it to create notes. But if you have Operation Hub Professional and have access to this custom code in HubSpot, so easily with some lines of code, you can create your own application or action that will create notes in HubSpot. So if you are a developer or know some basic JavaScript, Node.js, you can definitely do this. So let's walk through this, how we can create this. So firstly, we see that how is this workflow is going to function. So here I have created a custom notes information named property, which is a multi-line text property. And for some contacts, I have filled out this property. For example, this property has value in here. So custom notes information, this is a custom property that I created. And from here, I want to create notes. So under here, I want to create notes. So in this function, as I'm showing, that these properties needs to be filled out separately for each contact. And then you can run it in a workflow to create the notes. But you can implement your own method. You can also fetch data from external services to get the note information. So let's go ahead and start it. So firstly, before getting started, we need to create a private app. So if we go to settings in our HubSpot, we see integrations and private apps. So in this private app, we create a private app. So let's just create our note app. Okay, note app. So then we have to define the scope. So for notes, so scopes basically defines that which objects or parts of the CRM that we want to target. Basically, that's the functionality of scope. So there you'll find no scopes named notes. For notes, basically we need context access. So if we type in contact, we'll see that contacts read, write, objects read, write. If you want to associate a record with companies and create notes in company, then you need the company scope too. So our node app will be able to create notes in contacts and companies. So hit this create app button. So continue creating, and so you can see show the token. So this is the token we want to use, this token for our notes API. So we can copy it, and you should always hide this token as it is a secret token. Okay, we can skip the tool for now. So our private app is ready. So now let's do some basic setup of our custom code. Before starting, we'll select the language in Node.js version 20. In the description here, you can give whatever you want. Basically, this description will show in the action card of the custom code. So we'll just keep it here. And for secrets, here we have to add a secret. So go to add secret. There's a secret key, that's the API key one. So you cannot have any spaces here. So what is the secret value? The access token. Let's copy it and come back here. and paste it here. So this is basically our secret. Save that, and that is here. And so in here, this is important. Basically, you want to select the properties that you want to use in your code and that you need to function your custom code properly. So if you want to learn more about this custom code, you can go to this documentation action, and as you can see, this is how this is the basic structure, that how you can access properties. To access a property, to read a property, you say event.input field email. This is how we can read a property. And also, so for packages, these are the packages that HubSpot have pre-installed here, and we can use them. But please note that we cannot run npm install and use packages as we wish. Only these packages are available in our HubSpot coding to run our action. So for our purpose, we will select the property that is the record ID. So we will search here on the right pane. You search that record ID. So that is the record ID here, and then add property. Then we will definitely need the custom node property, custom node information, and then let's take the contact owner too. So if we see this, we need to read this property. So how we can read these properties in our code? These highlighted that we can see, these are the HubSpot, these properties, internal properties. So if we want to see, if we want to read the record ID, we'll say that okay, that is the record ID of a contact. Okay, so let's say there's variable in a variable called record ID, and same we'll just copy paste it, and let's read our property of the notes property, that we are actually keeping the notes there. And let's name this note text here. So, and HubSpot owner ID will also, let's go ahead and also copy this line and paste it here. So this is how we are reading all the informations in the custom code. So in the next video, we'll see how we can code this to create the note. So see you in the next part. Thank you.